Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Math Talk. This channel is mainly about middle school math, high school math, SAT math, ACT math, rigid math, PSAT math, and GRE math. Today's topic we talk about real numbers absolute value. After this video, if you think this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and give a like to my video. Now let's go to today's topic. First, we talk about absolute values expression. Usually, absolute value expression looks like this way, such as 2's absolute value, negative 2's absolute value, uh, 0's absolute value, such as like this way. This is the absolute values expression. Okay. Now we talk about absolute value meaning. Absolute value means the distance from this point to the origin point, the distance. Okay, if we draw a real number line, for example, this is the original point 0. Okay, for example, this is 1. Oh, sorry. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is negative 1. This is negative 2. For example, if we think about the negative to the VAPS value, basically means the distance from this point to the original point distance. Basically means this distance. Okay. Same thing for the to the absolute value. So this also the distance. Okay, this is about the absolute value valued meaning. Now we talk about followingly we talk about some the absolute value the properties. Absolute value values properties. The first property is absolute value always greater or equal to the 0. So that means any numbers absolute value always greater or equal to 0. That is absolute value properties. The second property is when you find the absolute value, you need to divide the number to two scenarios. The, the first scenario is if the number is positive number. or 0. So that means the absolute value equals it itself. For example, we can see here 2 is a positive number, so 2's absolute value equals itself is 2. Or 0. 0's absolute value also equals itself is 0. Okay. The third thing is if the number is negative number, the absolute value equals this number opposite number. For example, here we see we want to find the negative numbers absolute value. Basically, negative 2's absolute value equals, you see, negative to a positive number, so that is 2. Okay, so that is the everything about the absolute value. First, absolute value means this number, the distance to the the original point. This is the absolute value, the meaning. Okay. The second thing is always remember any number's absolute value always greater or equal to 0. Okay, that is the second thing. The third thing is in order to find the a number's absolute value, you need to divide this number to 2 scenarios. The first scenario is if this number is a positive number or 0, then the absolute value equals itself, such as positive 2 or 0. On the contrary, if the number is a negative number, the absolute value equals this number's opposite number, such as you see negative 2's absolute value equal to the negative opposite number, that is 2. So this is everything about absolute value. Thanks for your watching. If you have any problem about this video, you can leave your comments, and if you have some problem you don't understand, you also can leave in the comments. I can help you. Thanks for your watching.